from Teasers Pleasers here. Happy birthday, America.
Hey, good looking. You want to see what we have cooking today in my kitchen? Well, go ahead, grab a hold of that vine, swing right on into my kitchen, and let's get cooking. Good looking. Today, I'm going to sit there and show you just how easy it is to make my mother-in-law's beef roulade, but we're going to make it beef roulade beef bombs. So, be sure to grab a hold of that vine, swing onto my kitchen, and let's get cooking. Good looking.
Hey there, good looking. I'm so glad you came to my kitchen today, but we were outside, but rain came and we had a quick run inside, so we're going to be on the inside, and hopefully by the time that the Sous Vide is done doing its little magic, we'll be able to take you back out to the Blackstone Griddle and finish this recipe all off. I have down here some partially fried bacon, and I went ahead and I roughly chopped that all up. I have some top round here that is thinly shaved, as you can see. I mean, you can almost practically see through it. I have some pepper back there. I have my homemade Jack Daniel's honey Dijon mustard. I have some shredded up or mozzarella cheese, and we also have some kosher salt. And let's go ahead and let's get assembling these beef roulades with that special cheese in the center. And as you see, folks, the honey Dijon mustard that I made up not too long ago is going pretty dang fast here in my household. So go ahead, spread out your top round like I just did. Now we're gonna sit there, take some pepper and some kosher salt. We're gonna give it a light sprinkling, and I'm gonna sit there and spread out some of the Jack Daniel's honey Dijon mustard. Alright, I'm gonna grab some of that honey Dijon mustard. And we're gonna spread that all out in a thin layer. And now take some of your kosher salt, give it a good little sprinkling. Go ahead, do the same with the pepper. And now you're going to want to sit there, grab some of the chopped up bacon, and liberally spread it throughout the top. And then spread it out through the bottom, just as we're doing. Basically you want, whoa, listen to that thunder. Basically you want bacon in every bite. Now I'm going to quick wash my hands, and we'll be back. And also, I'm going to put some dried minced onion over the top of each slice of the top round. And I'm also going to do the same thing with the minced garlic. You can put as little or as much as you want on yours. Now this is where I go differently from what my mother-in-law has done. I'm gonna sit there and I'm just gonna zhuzh it up just a little bit more, and I'm gonna add a flavor bomb. I mean, come on, who doesn't like mozzarella cheese? We're gonna ramp these up, and we're just gonna take them to the next level, and we're gonna do it all in honor of my mother-in-law on this 4th of July. Okay, now that I've spread the cheese all down, it's time for us to roll this up. But before we roll it up, make sure that you have a little pile of toothpicks off to the side, because you're going to be needing them. Okay, I'm going to quick roll them all up. And if some of that cheese falls off, just pick it up, throw it back in. No biggie. Okay, now when we come up to our end here, go ahead, tuck everything all nice and inside of there. Take your toothpick and just kind of give it like a stitch with the toothpick, just to hold it all together. Now, I'm also going to do that on the ends, because these are filled with cheese, and I don't want my cheese mixture all to be coming out, so I'm going to secure my ends closed as well, just as you see I'm doing here. I tucked all that nice filling on in the inside. Do the same over on the other side. And basically, we're just going to fold it like an envelope. So, pull this over, pull that over and up, grab a toothpick, and just kind of poke it all through just to hold everything all together there. Come over on this side, do the same thing. We're tucking all that I can't even speak. All that good cheese in. Now grab your toothpick, and now give it a few pokings to secure that side as well. And there we have a beef roulade bomb, and it's all ready for the Blackstone Griddle. Alright, I finally finished up my very last one. Let me go ahead and dispose of some of this stuff. Make a little bit more room so you can sit there and see the stuffed beef roulade that is having a little cheese surprise on the inside. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and put these in a vacuum sealed bag, and into the Sous Vide they go. And on a side note, people, remember that Jack Daniel's Dijon mustard I made, the honey Dijon? That's how much of it I do have left. And this was a full pint jar. That's how good that Jack Daniel's copycat recipe of the honey Dijon mustard really is. So be sure to give yourselves a go at making yourself some. Trust me, you won't regret it. Okay, I decided against the food saver bags because I figured the toothpicks here just might poke some holes in, so I'm just gonna try to get out as much air as I can from these Ziploc baggies And I'm just gonna fold it up as such, trying to get as much air out as such, like that. Then we're just gonna go ahead, put them right down inside of our stock pot here that we have full of water, and I'm gonna continue to get the air out of the rest of these Ziploc baggies and put the rest of these all in, and we'll be back. Alright, as you see, all the beef roulade is in the Ziploc baggies and submerged underneath the water, our stainless steel pot here. And now I'm gonna come up here and we're gonna turn it on. We're gonna sit there to set the time to 1 hour. We're gonna come up here, set the temperature to 140. And now we're gonna turn it on. I'll see you in 1 hour. Well, the sous vide has sounded off. I removed all of our beef roulade cheese bombs, and now I'm just gonna sit here and take them out of the bag. I'm gonna take them over to my Blackstone Griddle, and we're just gonna brown them up. Okay, I turned the Blackstone Griddle on, and I'm just gonna sit there and put just a little bit of oil down. Grab one of these babies out and put them down on the grill, and I'm going to allow it to sear on all sides. And there they all are, down on the Blackstone Griddle. Now, that's what you want. You want to get a good sear going. So I'm going to continue searing these all up on all sides. And we'll be seeing you when I'm all done searing these real luscious beef roulade bombs all up. And there they are, getting all nice and brown, almost ready to be taken off the grill. So I'm going to run in and I'm going to grab my serving platter so I can put these luscious beef roulade bombs all on the plate and give them to my family so they can eat them all up. Now, I have them over here in our serving dish, and I put one in a little serving bowl. Please remind everybody that there are toothpicks in them, or go ahead, remove the toothpicks before you would to serve these. So I'm just going to remove the toothpicks. Now that I have all the toothpicks removed, I'm just going to sit there and cut into this so I can sit there and show you all the goodness to be expecting on the inside. I mean, oh my God. I mean, look at that. There's that bacon, the cheese, and it's wrapped all around that top round. Now, I'm going to take a little smaller bite of this because that's just a little too much. So let's give this a taste. Oh yeah. My mother-in-law would have been proud with the addition of that mozzarella cheese. Well, I have the rest of my plate to mix up and eat and enjoy, and I have fireworks to go see. So, happy 4th of July to each and every one of you. So, here's to happy cooking, but better yet, to happy eatings, and y'all come back now, you hear? From Teasers Pleasers here, happy birthday, America.